Hey everyone, welcome back to Dazola Designs. And I just can't help myself. Look what I got. I got some more yarn. Joanne was having a huge one-day sale yesterday, Saturday. So I bought a bunch more yarn. And it looks pretty spectacular. I'm going to give most of this away so you guys are the benefactors of my yarn shopping, I guess. So let's see what is in this box. Hold on, I have my camera on a stand. I literally bought so much. I was kind of laughing because they had to put it in a garbage bag. Look at all of that beauty. Oh, wow. Okay, so I saw these were on sale. These are little skeins of Big Twist. I love Big Twist. It's my new favorite yarn. These are cotton and polyester blend. So these would be cute little project yarns. What is the gauge of this, I wonder? I don't know. I can't read that. Can you guys read? Well, it's a 4, obviously. 5mm hook. I believe that's what that says. Super cute. They're kind of speckled. This is like a peach. And then we have a brown and cream. Brown and white. Ooh, this one's really cute. This is like a rainbow pastel. That's very, very nice. Here's more coral. Here's more brown. You guys see that? My camera doesn't know what to focus on. Here is tan. That's really nice. Wow. And I just saw these. Sometimes I just buy. I don't really feel comfortable shopping in the stores. I don't know. It's just a weird time. This is a beautiful purple. Again, it has white. Very cute. Here's some more of the tan. Oh, and I forgot I got this too. This is really cute. This is like a blue denim color. This is similar to the yarn the Hobie yarn that I got yesterday, actually in size. But not in gauge though. The Hobie yarn is much thinner. You see that beautiful turquoise? And then I forgot I got this. This is a yarn drum. You see that? So this expands and you can put your yarn in there and all of your accessories on the side and you can actually carry it. So I'm going to check this out because when I'm crocheting like in the living room and I have my stuff all over, my yarn gets all over and everything, and my husband and my daughter make fun of me a little bit. So this is kind of cute. If I like this, I will definitely buy more and have these as a giveaway. So I thought these would be really, really cute. This is the back. It has a really cute pattern on. You see, you put your yarn in there and then the yarn comes out from there. So I'm really excited to do that. And like I said, if I like that, maybe I'll make a review on that. That's really cool. So here we have Big Twist yarn. This is a new color that I got. This is purple. I don't know, there we go. My camera's not focusing. That's a really pretty color. And then we have more of the greens. This is light green. It's kind of like a pea green. More purple. And then we have, I got some more pinks. That's like a fuchsia. What color is this one? Magenta. I think I got this one before. I did get this one before. No? I don't know. I'm looking at my yarn shelves. I have to show you guys my yarn shelves. I'm redoing this room into a kind of yarn room. What is this color? This is Plum. This is a really cute color. I would like to make a sweater out of that. I'm going to start making tunics. I have a ton of patterns. I joined Annie's Crochet Club, and they have the best. This is like a cute, just basic green. The big twist yarns are super, super soft. They're my new favorite. I like them much better than Super Saver. I know that's like blasphemy to a lot of people. This is a really pretty tan color. My camera is not focusing. There we go. That's just a basic like sand color. What else do we have in here? Wow. We have some lavender. That's really pretty. And this is mostly just, I think it's all big twist. Oh, this is really nice. This is more the cotton polyester blend with, and this is black and grays. I like that one. What was I saying? I joined Annie's. Hold on, let me get through this yarn here. This is gorgeous. This has purples and fuchsia with like a white pinkish background. That's beautiful. Wow. Okay, so I love, this is a Maroon Tunics. Kind of like a magenta blood, deep red color. I love tunics. So I'm going to, for the summer, I need new clothes. So instead of buying the stuff that I can rarely find, I'm going to make, this is teal. I'm going to make some tunic action. So I'm super excited about that. Okay, so I think that is all the colors that I have. Yeah, so this coming week, the first week of March 2021, I would like to have a giveaway a day. I love this color, the plum color. That is so beautiful. I would like to have a giveaway a day. We'll see how that works and how my schedule works out, but I have so much yarn right now that it is kind of crazy. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is mostly me just rambling on a little bit, but look at all this gorgeous yarn. I love sharing it with you. I know I have a lot of people that don't live near a Joanne who follow my channel, so I hope you guys like these videos. I hope it brings some kind of brightness to everyone's day too. So I hope everyone is doing well, and be on the lookout for those videos. Oh, and I wanted to say there are some people who are asking, why don't I put a date to when I'm going to pick for my giveaways? And the answer is because honestly, I don't know when I'm going to pick the giveaway winners. I kind of do it spontaneously, and I really like that. So if that really bothers you, then please do not enter the videos, because there's so many people that love my giveaways. So I just thought I'd throw that out there. But thank you guys. Look at all these beautiful. These are so beautiful, and they're so soft. Wow. So thank you so much, everyone, for watching my videos, and I hope everyone is doing well, and we will definitely see each other or talk to each other in the next video. Take care.